بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله
بسم الله
الرحمن
الرحمن
الرحيم.
الرحيم.
Yes, Ryan. So here is a lesson. Lesson number 5 is about Tanween lesson. Okay. So first you have to tell me what is Tanween? What are signs are called Tanween? You have to tell me.
Fathatain, Khosratain, and Domatain.
Yes. Fathatain, Kasratain, and Domatain. So Fathatain, Kasratain, and Domatain is called Tanween. And what are these signs name?
Fathatain,
And
Khosratain,
here is,
Domatain.
that's very good. Okay, so now you have to read a first one letter. How to spell out?
Fathatain, Ta,
No,
Ton,
no. First you have to read a letter, and then you have to read a name of Fathatain. Okay, so
Ta,
ta.
Ta, Fathatain,
Okay, ta Fathatain.
Ton,
Tan. Good. Next one.
Ton, Ta, Khosratain, Tin,
Good.
Ta, Domatain, Tun.
Okay. Now you have to read all of these together. Okay. Tan, tin,
Ton, Tin,
tun. Okay. Next one, Ryan. What is this
To,
letter?
To,
Okay.
To, Fathatain, Ton,
Okay.
To, Khosratain, Tun,
Okay.
To, Domatain, Tun,
Good.
Ton, Tin, Tun.
Good. Next one. Read all of these letters, okay?
Zal, Fathatain, Zan,
Okay, this is not a
Za,
zal, za letter. Za.
Za,
Okay.
Za,
Hmm.
Fathatain, Zan,
Hmm.
Za, Khosratain, Zin,
Hmm.
Za, Domatain, Zun, Zan, Zin, Zun,
Next one.
Zal, Fathatain, Zan,
Okay. There
Zan,
is a difference. There is a difference in letter in between two letters. This is a za letter. We have to read with buzzing sound. Like we have to make a stress over this letter. Za. Za. Okay. But this is a letter, is a za letter. We have to read a very soft letter. Za. This is not a za. The second one is zal. So zal letter we have to read always a soft letter. Okay. Zal
Zan,
fathatain. Zan.
Zan.
Next one.
Zal, Khosratain, Zin,
Okay.
Zal, Domatain, Zun,
Mm.
Zal, Zin, Zun,
Next one.
Do, Do,
Zo.
Zo,
Mm.
Zo, Fathatain, Zon,
Okay.
Zo, Khosratain, Zun, Zo, Domatain, Zun, Zon, Zin, Zun,
Okay. Keep reading. Keep reading.
Sa,
Mm.
Sa, Fathatain, San, Sa, Khosratain, Sin, Sa, Domatain, Sun, San, Sin, Sun,
Okay. Next
Sin,
one.
Fathatain, San,
Mm.
Sin, Khosratain, Sin,
Mm.
Sin, Domatain, Sun,
Mm.
San, Sin, Sun,
Next.
Sod, Fathatain, Son,
Good.
Sod, Khosratain, Sun, Sod, Domatain, Sun, Son, Sin, Sun,
Good. Next one. Okay. Here is.
Dal,
Okay, here is the letter is coming ja letter. This ja letter you have to ignore here, okay? Forget about this a letter ja. Okay, just you have to read a letter, the letter, okay? I'm going to remove for you here is a ja letter. So this ja letter right now we have to ignore it, okay?
Dal fathatain dan, dal khasratain dun, din, dal domatain dun, dan din dun,
Good. Next one.
dod fathatain don, dod khasratain dun, dod domatain dun, dod din dun,
Don, bin, dun.
don din dun,
Next one.
kaf fathatain khan,
Okay.
kaf خسرتين خن كاف ضمتين كن كان كن كن
Next one.
قاف فتحتين خان
One,
خاف
one. Of
خسرتين
fathatain. Make a more bold sound of fathatain. One.
خان خاف خسرتين خن خاف ضمتين خن خان خن خن
Good.
ها فتحتين حان ها خسرتين هن ها ضمتين هن han hin hun ha fathatain han ha kasratain hin ha domatain hun han hin hun hamza fathatain an hamza kasratain in hamza domatain un an in un
This is a Ain letter. Ain.
ein ein kasratain
The
ein
first one Ain has two fatha.
fathatain
Hmm.
ha fathatain han
Hmm.
ein خسرتين ein domatain un
Hmm.
ein in un
Good. Next one.
ha fathatain han ha خسرتين خن
Hmm.
ha domatain hun han خن hun غين فتحتين غان غين خسرتين غن غين دومتين غن با فتحتين بان
Okay.
با
Okay. Wait a minute. You don't need to spell out now. You just keep reading like a sounds. Okay. Bun, bin, bun. Just look at the letters. Just make the sounds. Okay.
بان بن بن
Hmm.
man min mun
Okay.
one win wun fun fin fun
Hmm.
la lam lim lum nan nin nun
Hmm.
ran rin run ran rin run
Now, what is this letter?
jim jan jin jun
Jan. G make a clear sound of J sound.
jan jin
Jan.
jun
Okay.
shan shin shun
Hmm.
yan yin yun.
Good. Okay, here is a new lesson. Okay. Here is a new lesson.